Josh Duggar moves into remodeled prison dorm with flowers and special privileges as disgraced star studies for degree. Duggar's prison unit also contains amenities like pickleball, tennis, basketball, horseshoes, and a running track. Josh, 36, began serving his sentence at FCI Seagoville in Dallas, Texas, in December 2021 and has a release date of October 2032. The U.S. Sun can exclusively reveal Josh has moved into a renovated dorm with special amenities and privileges. They finished painting the walls and getting flowers put into Dorm 6, where Josh lives. It's been turned into an honors dorm, a source claimed to the U.S. Sun. They get special privileges and building updates because it's an honors dorm. There are washers and dryers, microwaves, and more. They're trying to create a dorm of model inmates. The insider added how inmates living in the dorms can't have any disciplinary actions in a certain amount of time, have to have a job, and must sign a code of conduct agreement. The insider believes Josh may be getting special treatment as he does not have the qualifications to live in the dorm. Josh apparently doesn't work, but he is getting a degree, and they're counting that as an exception so he can stay. According to the rules, he would be disqualified from living there because of his SHU time a couple of years ago, but they've decided to waive that for him. In February 2023, Josh was thrown into FCI Seagoville's Special Housing Unit, better known as solitary confinement, when he snuck a cell phone into the prison. A family member of an inmate at the facility exclusively told the U.S. Sun at the time, "I would be very surprised if he has been released, as most of the people in there have been in there for months. He has to wait until he has his disciplinary hearing." According to the Bureau of Federal Prisons, inmates in the SHU are allowed just one telephone call per month. As for visitation, those are restricted or disallowed, depending on the reason for detention. He was released from the SHU in March of that same year. A representative from Seagoville responded to the U.S. Sun's request for comment regarding the lush dorm. Unfortunately, FCI Seagoville does not comment on conditions of confinement. The former 19 Kids and Counting star is a celebrity behind bars. A source previously told the U.S. Sun, Josh has been signing autographs on newspaper articles about him for prisoners' family members. In addition to earning a degree, Josh could spend his days participating in physical activities. Seagoville offers pickleball, tennis, basketball, horseshoes, and a track for inmates. Inmates get recreational time in the early morning. They remain inside for a few hours and could return outside later in the afternoon, a source previously told the U.S. Sun. Prisoners could also play musical instruments, as sometimes they play guitar outside during rec hours. Josh is legaltroubles. Josh was arrested and charged with possessing and receiving child pornography in April 2021. He was found guilty after a nearly 2-week trial in Arkansas. Josh was sentenced to 151 months in federal prison in May and was transferred to FCI Seagoville in June 2022. Josh's legal team filed an appeal to overturn the conviction and have a new trial in October 2022. In one of the arguments, they claimed federal agents allegedly seized Josh's phone when he tried to contact his attorney during a raid at his car lot a year and a half before the arrest. The court papers claimed he spoke to the agents without counsel present. The appeal was denied in November 2023. Then in 2024, the Supreme Court officially denied the conviction appeal. Josh remains married to his wife Anna, 36, as she has been seen visiting the prison with their 7 young children. The U.S. Sun previously reported other family members had visited Josh as well. His brother Joseph, 29, and brother-in-law David Waller were seen at the prison in March of this year.